I'm doing good.
Good, I'm Officer Wilson.
I didn't want to do the video no more, bro.
Damage.
Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish.
Cari crew. Hey man, today is a special day, man. Today is your boy birthday, man. October 13th, man. It is Cari Beats' birthday as I'm recording right now. You know what I'm saying? So leave a comment down below, man. Tell you about happy birthday, man. You know what I'm saying? I'll run the video up, man. Get a video to 100 likes, at least for my birthday, bro. You know what I'm saying? 100 likes. I'm putting my cash out down there just to be, you know what I'm saying? I ain't begging for nothing. Just like, I just do that just to be, you know, because some people just like to show support. You know what I'm saying? Just send your boy $1, man. That's all I had on. You ain't gotta send 2, 3, 4, 5. You send more, that's on you. Y'all just send me $1, man. I'd be appreciative of that, bro. Just, you know what I'm saying? Cause another $1 is better than no $1. You know what I'm saying? But it's your boy birthday, man. I'm finna, as you can tell by the title if you ain't read yet, finna go get my windows tinted. That's exactly what I'm going right now. You know what I'm saying? Get my windows tinted on Olivia, man. We're gonna get this thing a little more shadier in here, man. So it's really be looking nice. Like really just, you know. I want it darker anyway. I like darker tint. I just like tint anyway, just because. I don't know why. Don't ask me. It's just something I'm used to. You know what I'm saying? But man, make sure you hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. And yeah, man. We're finna get straight into it. You know what I'm saying? I'm on the way. I'm gonna you know, turn the camera and show y'all a little bit. But yeah, man, it's my birthday, bro. It's crazy. Like it's crazy because, like, you know, you get older, birthday's a little different. But, it's still a birthday, man. So, and this mug is going insane. I know y'all gonna be like, bro, turn that off. If I can turn it off. Yeah, man. Cari crew, it's a bit 2-4, man. Bit 2-4. My boy getting old, man. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I was just finna say, it like taking forever, but it just turned. And since it's my birthday, you know what I'm saying, I'll make a little noise for y'all, man. I ain't gonna care. I just be chilling. I do need to record. I'm trying to be consistent and stay consistent, man. You know what I'm saying? I just dropped a video yesterday. Y'all go check that out, man. You know what I'm saying? It's like a charger right now. I might crack the other windows so y'all can really hear Olivia breathe, man. That truck, bro. That truck took a nice little gap, boy. Hold on, Cari crew, hold on. Alright, Cari crew, my bad, we back, man. You know, my birthday, so we gotta take phone calls, you know what I'm saying? Gotta take phone calls. But yeah, we right back at it, right back in it. You know what I'm saying? Still on the grind, man. Like I was saying, but y'all boys subscribe, man. Boys, girls, we'll be coming across the channel, man. Subscribe to your boy. You know what I'm saying? Putting in that work, man, trying to get to it. Uploading these videos, you know what I'm saying, recording them on my phone. Phone got pretty good quality too. So, and they help me upload it faster, you know what I'm saying? I'm a one-hand man. A one-arm man. I said one-hand man. I said that all wrong, Cari crew, but I don't even acknowledge I said that, bro. Get y'all a little pulled. I know y'all want to hear me talk the whole time. Cari crew, man. I don't even know how to feel, what to do. I'm just chilling, man. I just be chilling, bro. Like, I thank the Lord for letting me live to see another year. You know what I'm saying? Full year for me, and still to even be here to say it. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man, we on the way right now to get. I see how it looking here now. Y'all just taking a good look. See how it look now. Just wait till that more get done. And I might put y'all on game on how to make y'all tint. How to make y'all tint dry up faster. Like, you know how instead of taking a couple days, 2, 3, 4 days for your tint before you can roll your window down, it's a little trick. You know what I'm saying, you can do. to get it to do that. You can speed it up into 1 day. Or not 2. I say 2 it'll just be the safest. 2. But yeah, man. We are on the way to the shop. My boy finna get me right, man. My boy finna get me right. I'm gonna show y'all a little footage. I'm taking. Oh, I almost spun that bit. I ain't even play right here, cause that's 12 right there. Look at him. Y'all finna see him. My radar ain't even on, by the way. Ain't that thing on. My radar ain't even on, man. My radar done trained me. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. Like, I'm telling you, like, you have it so long, like that junk, like the noise that be going on, I'm like immune to that. Sometimes I get on my nerves, I'm trying to talk, but I'm gonna be immune to that, bro. No cap. But yeah, man. Wait to the shop, man. And like I said, y'all see how the window look now. I'm probably not gonna do that rear window. You know what I'm saying? Cause like, I don't know, when you do the sides and get them darker, all of them gonna come together. That rear window do make a difference, but we just gonna see. You know what I'm saying? And then if I be like, I might just add it still. You know what I'm saying? My boy might just be like, man, just go ahead and just add that on too. But I want to put them on here for I don't know what I'm gonna put on there yet, man. I'm putting tint on top of this. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see this kind of light. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get that good tint, that YouTuber tint. That's what I call it. Every time I limo tint, it's that YouTuber tint. You know what I'm saying? This video been long overdue, by the way. Anyway, bro, long overdue. These folks driving so slow, but this video been long overdue, man. So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing straight to it. I know I ain't really talking too much. I'm really just waiting to get there, man. I don't realize the action and magic gonna happen. But I'm gonna turn the camera back on, you know, until I get done, probably like 5 minutes away, man. Peace. What's up, man? Let me get this thing did.
You know Cari made it.
Yeah, car crew, as y'all can see, man. Oh, I would've let the tag down for you. I ain't even know. You been taking a picture. I would've let that bit down for you. Yeah, car crew, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. Just a little sun slight, you know what I'm saying? That's it, but it look good though. It's gonna get darker over time. But that bit straight, man. Appreciate my boy, man. Yeah. You gonna do what?
Steal it.
Damn, that's how you gonna do, bro? We gonna steal that bitch. You gonna steal it on my birthday, bro? That messed up, bro.
It is a bro. Happy birthday, boy.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Happy birthday to all the folk that got down that didn't have no birthday today.
Yeah. Real talk, though, real talk.
Y'all folk come get in with us, man. You wanna ride with the players? You wanna hear a little, you drive that Toyota Cari, you wanna hear a little.
This bitch funny as
Yeah, man, y'all folk check me out, man.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
I ain't gonna tell you where we at. You know?
Yeah.
Quality tint service, man. Follow me
yeah.
on YouTube, man. Subscribe to my YouTube, Too Shaded.
Yes, sir, yes,
You
sir.
want your shit tinted, so you go to jail, come to me. I ain't gonna lie, I don't send a couple on there, they ask for it. That ain't none of my problem, they pay me, I just do it.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Bro, I need to borrow this bitch.
You need to borrow it,
Got a
bro?
title to it, I'm just borrowing that motherfucker. If the police put me over, I'd rather just have a title.
Nah. Can't do that.
I ain't gonna say it.
That's setting up right there. That's set up.
Do what you be sliding on?
Nah, I do new time.
I was about to say, I know you be sliding on them.
No 275. They just low profile, yeah.
It costs a good little bit too.
Yeah, they do, yeah. That's why I ain't doing it. Gotta let it.
Used to be in BMW, taking all the time like that.
Yeah.
Boy, they'll leave that bit about 5 millimeters on that motherfucker. We'll send it to the folks.
Oh, yeah, get some good bread. Good cheese. They go to Scat right there. Need to do that.
People always think when they get these cars, they do these fit on and stuff.
Yeah, they like to be seen. Not me. Not me. What's up, man? What y'all see? Let's see what we got, man.
5 minutes later.
I'm doing good.
Good. I'm Officer Wilson with Centerville PD. The reason we stopped you, you know, it's illegal to have your tag covered up.
Yes, I didn't. I was just up there doing a video. I be doing YouTube, and I was
We saw you bring the thing up.
Yeah. That's
Okay. Well, you can't cover your tag up when you drive down the road. You got your driver's license on?
yeah. No, I just left the parking lot. I didn't slip my mind.
All right, give me just a second, okay?
All right. Oh man. Car crew, bro. Oh my god, bro. I can't even see. Bro, I had my tag. I forgot, bro. And I just got my windows tinted, bro. Bro, I just got my. I know they finna give me a ticket. Bro, oh my god, bro. On my birthday, how can I forget, bro? Car crew, I tell you, I just pulled out the street, bro. And I looked and forgot. Damn. It was too late, bro. Oh, man. I know they gonna give me a... This one gonna come on this side of town, bro. Girl, can I tell you I'm so blowed, bro? Oh my, bro, come on, bro. I don't even wanna do the video no more, bro. Damn. I just got my windows tinted, bro. Car crew, man. They gave me a ticket, bro. My whole day is thrown, bro. On my birthday, that's crazy. I forget, bro. I'm talking about I just pulled out in the street, car crew, and I said, bro, literally, the shop right there, bro. The shop is down the road. I still can see it if I move over, bro. Police was sitting in the median, bro. I'm slowing down slow. I'm like, dang, bro. So when I seen it, make me check and make sure I'm straight. I'm like, my tag, and then when I already kind of in front of them, they already see the mug, you know what I'm saying, down. And I was like, damn, I hope you want to look. It was two of them in the car, bro. So both of them, if it was one of them in the car, you probably would have missed it, but I don't even really got no outro, bro. I'm really blowed, bro. Like, all just aside, bro. Y'all just stay blessed, man, and be easy, man.